Peter Parker's rich friend, often a cliché, coming from a poor family. But it's true. Many people come from a humble family. In my house we spend a lot of time very tight. Just like Peter Parker, one of the most sympathetic Marvel soldiers. Why? For his humble origin. Not like Iron Man or the Batman of DC Comics. We always saw Peter with his rich friend, the one who had everything. Poor Peter. He even took his girlfriends. It's not about being Peter or his rich friend Harry Osborn, it's about being yourself and getting what you want to be. I grew up believing that working hard was the healthiest thing to do. And I mean breaking your back to earn something. I also learned that the rich man is bad, very bad, and the poor man is happy and honest. Like Marcelino Bread and Wine. I won't tell you how the movie goes, but I use that title a lot to express the feeling that existed at that time in Spain. The movies basically told you that being poor was synonymous with being happy, much better than being rich but unhappy. But I realized that it is difficult to find rich people who are sad and unhappy. In the movies, even the mayor was bad and earned a lot of money, the poor man was honest and happy, very happy. Money is bad and it is better to pray every day and give thanks for having something to eat. Control over the masses comes from centuries ago, it is not a thing of now. Lots of religion and blah blah blah. Let's say that now they do it differently, with social networks etc., before they did it with movies and television. Believe it or not, one can get rich with investments, with businesses and companies and contributing to society. If you have a job, who do you think is giving it to you? A person who has created a company with the sweat of his brow, and not a rich miser like they appeared in those movies of yesteryear. There are stories like the one about the ghosts of Christmas past and so many other things that make a person who has a lot look bad. You have to earn money. It's another cliché, you just have to earn money by following the rules of the game. Because that's how I see it, you follow the rules and period. There is nothing more rewarding than paying taxes. I'm not crazy. If you pay taxes it is because you have earned money and legally. Another thing is that you learn to pay less taxes, that is the game. Make the most of the rules and laws of the economy to put them in your favor. Twisting them as much as possible and always within the legality. I think that as a child I questioned a lot those things that appeared in all the national movies, poor but happy, rich but bitter, and then I saw the rich who had a smile from ear to ear all day, right? Case, would it be faked? Or is it that they operated on their lips to smile? I realized that we have such deep-rooted customs that it wasn't even worth going against them. But when you read the biographies of great businessmen, of rich people, and you see that they had less than you no longer saw the excuses of you were born poor. What can we do? You will be born poor or rich, but what you do with your life afterwards is your business, you decide, and I'm not going to tell you to ask the universe like Paulo Coelho. An apology, Pablo, I know you love Spain, Mayete. Ask your brain full of awesome ideas. Do you think that those millionaires of today started a business and succeeded? Most have hit it over and over again until they finally succeeded. They are not the smartest, or the smartest. They are the most stubborn. Those stubborn ones are the ones who manage to overcome all the tests, before reaching the goal. Perseverance is what made them get ahead. And a bit of madness too, that they are half crazy. And that's why I always say when they ask me, what if you don't get it? Well, if I don't get it I'll die trying and it will have been fun.